to Empower Your Thinking, the podcast that inspires and fuels your journey to unlocking your full potential. Join host C.T. Johnson on the voyage of self-discovery as he uncovers the keys to a more empowered and fulfilled life. Tune in and elevate your thinking today.
October is Prophets Month. Halloween glorifies deception, but prophets are the sentinels who guard God's truth from corruption.
Well, good morning, congregation of the mighty Ecclesial Embassy, where God stands. This is Prophet C.T. Johnson. I am back with the word of the Lord for October 2025, week 3, deception warning, the spirit behind Halloween. Our foundational text is found in Matthew 24, verses 3 through 13. On this morning, we're going to get into the specifics as it pertains to how Halloween or Halloween, how it aligns with the spirit of deception. It is the job of the prophet to push back on darkness, deception. We are not intimidated. We are not afraid. We are not trembling. We are moving in the strength and the might and the mantleship of who we are as prophets, crying aloud and sparing not. Halloween is fueled by the spirit of deception. So let's deal with the specifics of how Halloween is aligned with the spirit of deception. The first point, deception through disguise. Halloween celebrates masking identity. What appears as fun conceals spiritual darkness and normalizes false identity. The true identity of Halloween is that of death. It does not matter how we reframe it, how we rename it. The origin that birthed Halloween is satanic and it is demonic. Halloween presents spiritual corruption as innocent amusement. The second point, normalization of lawlessness through horror imagery, witchcraft, and necromancy themes. Halloween glorifies, listen to this, rebellion, mischief, occultism, and sensuality. Christ is not a part, he does not condone, he does not ascribe to any of the forementioned. Rebellion, the scripture speaks against it. Rebellion is as the what? Sin of witchcraft, mischief, occultism, and sensuality. These are all satanic. They are elements of Halloween. What Christ calls lawlessness, culture calls entertainment. It's evil rebranded as good. The third point, as it pertains to Halloween aligning with the spirit of deception, desensitization to darkness. Halloween dulls the believer's sensitivity to evil. When death, witchcraft, and fear become fun, discernment diminishes. The fourth point, D, distraction from vigilance. Christ said, take heed. Halloween promotes spiritual carelessness rather than watchfulness. It encourages indulgence in superstition, fear, and fantasy, diverting attention from Christ's warnings to carnal gratification. And the last point, cultural conformity and compromise. Halloween entices believers into cultural participation under the banner of harmless tradition. Yet, Jesus' warning about deception includes the subtle pressure to compromise. Compromise begins where conviction is diluted by culture. Prophets, hear me. Prophets are the tormentors of hell. We are sent to disrupt, dismantle, and destroy demonic agendas. True God-ordained holy prophets, we are tormentors of hell. We will be back next week as we go deeper, closing out this month's word of the Lord. Halloween. It is fueled by the spirit of deception, and Christ has raised up this prophet to warn us about it. Be empowered.
Thank you for tuning in to another empowering episode of Empower Your Thinking. Remember, a changed life is the consequence of an empowered mind. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast for more inspiring content that fuels your journey to unlock your full potential. And for daily empowerment, follow host C.T. Johnson on Instagram at @IEmpowerLives. Join us next week as we continue this voyage of self-discovery, uncovering the keys to a more empowered and fulfilled life.